So you replaced the bulb on your headlight of your vehicle and it never worked. Okay, so if you replace your bulb, high beam, low beam, you replace your brake bulb, simple solution or problem or issue could be that you probably didn't look properly, or you overlooked and you just want to replace the bulb. So I got some components here you guys seen. I'm going to show you guys. I worked on a Buick. I worked on a Camry. Simple little procedure. I do have a video on that. You can search that up. Toyota Camry, pigtail connector. So whenever you're replacing your bulb, it could be simple as your fuse is bad. It could be electrical issue. It could be switch. But before you do anything, I always recommend change your bulb first, and that's it. While you change your bulb, you do want to take a look at your connector. Okay, this is a connector right here. If you look straight in there, it's melted. Okay, it's melted from that corner. And that is the reason why this bulb never illuminated. So what happened here was, okay, this is an H11 connector here. So here's a little package I got for that. So if you guys want to look for a pigtail connector, headlight socket, or you want to call it a pigtail, I call it a pigtail connector. H11, okay, and there's another number there. So if that matches, so if you're putting in a bulb, it all depends on what bulb you have. I'm gonna pick this up. I dropped this little guy. So if you got an H11 bulb, you're going to need an H11 connector. If you got 9006, you're going to need a 9006 connector, okay? So that's enough with that. So what happens here is, so I got myself a connector. This is what it's going to look like. So it's just two cables, positive and negative. If you got LEDs, if you want to put in the LEDs, you can, you got to follow positive or negative. And if you got halogen bulb, like such as this is a regular bulb, you can connect either way. Okay, it doesn't matter. But so what would happen here is, when this thing goes in there, the plastic melts. The little lead that makes the contact on the pin here, it will no longer connect. Okay, it will not connect, and you will replace your bulb and you won't even know it. Okay. Anyways, enough said with that. How do you prevent something like this? You can, okay? You can. You could do a few things. They do sell, okay, this thing is stuck now. So they do sell like greasing that you will put on the electrical connectors. You could use that. You could use a better bulb. Buy yourself a good. I use fill-up bulbs. I don't use these eco, whatever they call depends on your bulb, okay? These do heat up, so even the original ones, I've seen them melt. But anyways, try to go with the LED bulbs. I love LED bulbs. They work great. They don't produce that much of heat. They don't use that much of electricity. So that could be one of the reasons. Okay, so it's really simple, positive, negative. Like in this case, it doesn't matter what you connect. You could solder it, or you could tape it on, whatever is your desire. Anyways, a simple fix. Just take a look at your connector. Okay, if I can get this guy out now. So you see how it's stuck? It even gets stuck. Just take a look at your connector, okay? Sometimes, even if it's not melted, on the rear tail, the bulb themselves, they won't make a contact, okay? This one it has changed color in there on the pin, so I can tell that. So it's burnt. So small little thing you can do is check your connector. When you change the bulb, just look at it. If it's melted, it's no good. Let me pull this off one more time, okay? And I am gonna show you guys one thing. So if you can see, and you see this, I'm going to zoom in. You will see the difference here, okay? Let me zoom in on these. So there you go. You see that? That is the reason why your bulb doesn't work. This one is melted, and this one's good, okay? So there's two different connectors for this bulb, and that is the reason why your headlight is not going to work, because it's melted. All right, guys. Hopefully I help you guys out. Thank you for watching my video, and hopefully you guys look at your connectors next time. Bye-bye.